Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from healthytreatsmarket.com, and we are going to make strawberry rhubarb, okay? So first what you need to do is make the baker's basic cake mix. So just get this packet or use the bowl, dump it in a cereal bowl, and as you know, all the mixes are quarter cup mix, quarter cup egg whites, 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, there's my yogurt. I am going to mix this and microwave it for 2 minutes. And while this is warming up, I'm going to show you how to make the rhubarb. Okay, but while that's cooking, what we did here is we got 2 cups of chopped rhubarb. Now it made a lot more than this, okay? You need to put it in like a bigger bowl, but my bowl was just messy, so I put it in here. So you need 2 cups of rhubarb, 2 cups of strawberries, and then half a cup sweetie. That's it. And you mix it up, stick it in the microwave. Did you use fresh or frozen strawberries?
They were fresh.
Fresh.
You could use frozen.
You could use frozen too, okay? So again, 2 cups rhubarb, 2 cups strawberries, half cup sweetie. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then it turns out like this. This is so good. If you love sweet and sour, you're gonna love this. And then you just pour this over the baker's basic cake mix, and you have delicious strawberry rhubarb, okay? And it's not a ton of calories, it's not a ton of carbs, it's full of protein, it's gonna get you healthy, and you're gonna lose weight. See how the cake turned out? It's beautiful. And again, guys, all the mixes, that's all you gotta do to them. Just stick them in the microwave, pour this over it, and you got delicious strawberry rhubarb. And I'm gonna add some whipped cream on top of it. There. Strawberry rhubarb, guys, that's all protein. It's not all sugar and carbs, it's all protein. The only sugar that's in here is a little bit of strawberries that we put in it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to come see us. We're in the Davidson Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, go on healthytreatsmarket.com and check out recipes, testimonies. You can shop online and do whatever you want. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of us there too. God bless you.